Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. GPT-4 is on a mission to automate hustle culture. What's hustle culture, Will?
It's when you hustle.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, I would assume so.
I think it
changes so much.
I think it's the idea of glamorizing hustling, even at the expense. There's two girls that work at Barstool. I've just seen their clips on social media where they sort of make fun of hustle culture and joke about it.
Okay.
And they talk like, I don't even hang out with my kids anymore. They're never delivering value. Like it's hilarious. They just take it to the extreme.
Yeah. It's similar to, I guess, startup culture, right?
Oh, very connected to startup culture.
Yeah.
Extremely connected. But
sleeping in the office.
Yeah, it's
showing it
it's
off.
glamorized.
Yeah.
But it's like, at what expense? Like, where is life? What is life? What really matters? It's all said and done. You die. What really happened?
Yeah.
You were hustling. Well, where were you hustling? How were you hustling? What was worth hustling for? It's always, these are interesting philosophical questions. So what does OpenAI think about it?
So there's a project that's on Discord where someone actually created like a company using ChatGPT's advice. So all the way from like creating a logo using DALL-E, registering a domain, calling like the certain name of the company, and try to make money out of it. So basically the query was like, using $100, how do you make as much money as possible? And ChatGPT kind of output like a certain strategy of making a business and then, you know, having investors and stuff.
Gotcha. So hence the automation of hustle culture.
Yeah.
Just give you the steps, and then all you got to do is do the hustling part.
So this guy, it's called greengadgetguru.com. He spent like $100 and then just went through the steps, and he was able to, at this point, get a $7,000 investment. And he's also going through the steps of asking GPT, like, what do I do now? And GPT was telling him to hire 2 freelancers, create content, and just keep going. So,
are you saying that GPT is the CEO?
I guess so.
No, you're saying right now?
Yeah, this guy is not like super involved in like the decision making at all. He's just kind of going through the steps of what GPT is asking him to do. So it seems to be pretty successful in this case. But I wouldn't recommend anyone to do it.
Oh.
But there has been a lot of people who are starting to do it.
But you wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah, in this Discord, it says that there's 190 active ventures using ChatGPT.
As the CEO.
And 26 of them are claiming to be making money. So we might be in the wrong business.
But you don't recommend it.
I don't know. I have to look into it more.
Okay.
It is interesting to kind of ask like a robot to make
business decisions.
Yeah.
What should I do next?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
So it is interesting.
I don't think James Cameron likes it.
No.
He's a little worried about it.